I always tell federal clients, their families, that I've never had a federal client abscond with a federal bail package. Because if that were to happen, it's the family, it's the friends, whoever co-signed the bond that's on the hook for that civil judgment. A few years ago, probably 5, 6 years ago at this point, we represented a client, white collar fraud case. Loss amount was about $1.2, $1.5 million. And then on the eve of sentencing, we get fired. And we get fired with this random attorney who I've never seen, who I've never heard of. He just files a notice on the docket to say, I'm the new attorney. And then we get a call to say, you're out, we're in. I don't really think about the case. I see the bounce on the docket. Client gets a year and a day, or something close. Client gets about a year. Case is going on. I forget about the client. I forget about the attorney. I've never met the attorney. And then probably about a month ago, I'm at MDC waiting for a client to be brought down. I'm in the little visiting room, and then this attorney walks into my room and he goes, "Are you Elena Fast?" And I say, "Yep, that's me." And he tells me that he was the attorney who took the case over where the client got the year and a day. And I say, "Oh, how's he doing? I haven't thought about you, haven't thought about the client." And the attorney tells me the client never showed up for his self-surrender date. The client ran. That must have been the client's plan all along, and we've had a working relationship for probably 2 years before we got to the sentencing on his case, and he did not want that to happen on my watch. So he got some other attorney to do the sentencing so that I could continue telling all of my clients and their families that I've never had a runner in Fed court. Now I understand why I was out of the case, really for no reason from my perspective, but it all makes sense.